ingredients and tools, I have salt, seasoning bowl, tablespoon, eggs, butter, spatula, and frying pan. So first, break 2 eggs with a tablespoon and pour it to a bowl. Add a pinch of seasoning, and a pinch of salt into the bowl. Whisk the eggs mixture by using tablespoon until it's perfectly mixed. Turn on the stove, heat the frying pan over medium heat until hot enough. Add some butter and let it melt. And then pour the eggs mixture on a frying pan. Wait a few seconds. If the egg starts thick, swipe the egg gently over and over again by using spatula until small yellow curdles is formed. Keep on swiping until no more liquid mixture left on the frying pan. Perfect scrambled eggs is ready. Serve it right away for your breakfast. You can add some chili sauce if you like it. Enjoy!